I got to say thanks for the detailed summary of the market situation that a lot of people are looking at these days, given the current world events. Andrew, if you had to simplify this message for our listeners between world events, oil prices, markets, recessions, diversification, what are the main points they should take away?
I know I gave a lot of stats here today, Brent, and some of that data was hopefully to give some positivity. We're seeing some challenging headlines, like you said at the top of the show. I want folks to think about the long-term nature of investing with that data that I gave. But a few key points. First, geopolitical shocks. I feel it like everyone else. They are unsettling, but history does show that markets recover quicker than our emotions usually do. Second, oil's impact. It's most significant when prices rise sharply and stay high, as that's when it really begins to squeeze consumers and businesses and influence central bank decisions. Third, oil shocks and recessions. They've often coincided historically, but usually as part of a broader picture that includes things like interest rate hikes and tighter credit markets, and maybe there was some pre-existing economic weakness, which we haven't seen coming into this shock. So, and I know you're supposed to give things in lists of three, but maybe I'll add a fourth point here too, which can help listeners maybe ignore the previous three I just listed, Brent. And here's what that fourth point would be: a disciplined, diversified investment plan. We talked about that just a second ago. If your portfolio is properly built, you manage volatility rather than letting it derail you.
Drew, for anyone listening to our program today, they're wondering whether their current portfolio is really built to handle this kind of uncertainty in the world. How can they reach you and the team and get some good advice?
As always, they can visit pwmprivatewealth.com, or they can call or text our mainline number, 306-975-9500, to set up a free consultation and review.
And to help people sleep better at night, maybe, too. That number again for listeners, 306-975-9500. Check out the website, pwmprivatewealth.com.